So you guys ever looking for something to do on the weekends? Can't really figure out what it is. You're in the metro Atlanta area. You're like, you know, I could drive a couple hours and just get out of town. I got a great spot. We'll see you there.
Mostly known for its Bavarian theme and Oktoberfest. Just 90 minutes north of Atlanta is a little town called Helen. But that's not what we're here for. There's another attraction on our list today. The Georgia Mountain Coaster is the first Alpine coaster in the state. It's open 7 days a week, so you can bring the family or you can leave them behind. Either way, you're not going to regret it.
So we're here. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Man, I just have to capture it in that moment. Like when you're going down full throttle, you see those 80-foot drop signs. They try to scare you. Don't worry about it. You're hooked in, you're latched on. Those guys are just gonna tilt you tilt a little bit to the side, you know? And other than that, man, it was so much fun. You just ride down, you feel like you're a little kid. Quite frankly, I suggest anybody, if you ain't gotta work today, go. Just come up here, take a ride. Trust me, it's gonna make your day. It's worth the drive. Have a good day, guys. We'll see you next time.